Hey buddy, good morning. Do you want to go to the B blast? It's free right now.
Have you ever woken up in the morning and missed your breakfast just because the line was too big? Are you tired of waiting in line and not getting your food? Have you ever waited in line for so long just to know that the M mess was full? One of the biggest problems that our students face is that mess B is always full and mess M is empty. This is the problem as students miss their lunch and breakfast just because they can't get their food in time. So, how would we solve this problem?
We are going to solve this problem by counting the number of people in the mess. So what we are going to do is we are going to count the number of people in each mess and display it on a screen. So this is the sensor which we are going to use. This is one of the sensors which we are going to use. So what this will do is, as a person passes underneath it, it will count, it will register that a person has passed and is in the mess, and it will simultaneously display that on a screen which we will put outside the mess. Now there are two modules to this. One is the slave module and one is the master module. So for example, like you have multiple, take this to be your mess, alright? This is one entrance and this is one entrance. So you put one sensor array here and you put one sensor array here. These two become your slave modules. So this is the master module, and this will be at another exit, say for here. And now we have the mess covered in sensors. Now I know you will be thinking, how are we getting them to communicate with each other? Well, for that we have used Wi-Fi. We are going to use ESP8266 module, and that will, so these two slave modules will be communicating directly to this Arduino using that particular Wi-Fi module. And now we are going to use the university's Wi-Fi to communicate these sensor modules. And this Arduino in particular will keep a total count of the people in the mess. So this will send data to the Raspberry Pi, on which we have designed our GUI. So the GUI has the Bennett logo. It has count in mess A, it has count in mess B. Now one set of sensors is in this mess. Now for example, take this is one mess. Now similarly, this is the M block mess. So now we have two, we don't have the second sensor, but second sensor set. So now we have two sensors set and they are communicating to each other using the university's Wi-Fi. Now in the end, this was the master module connected to the Raspberry Pi, and this will be displaying the count on a very big screen, on a LCD screen, as to how many people are there in each mess. So now people know which mess is empty, and now they can go to whichever mess has the less number of people, thereby solving the overcrowding problem we have today. कुछ समझ आ रहा है? नहीं ना? Very nice.
So our future plan is to implement this in our university and different universities so that the students can save their time and eat food and go to the class as soon as possible.